Step 1. Sign up to register on the site by email by clicking on Create New Town here. After registering on the site, you are first given one worker and the worker earns 5 gold every minute. Step 2. The first thing to do here is to increase your level. As your level rises, each level increases, it gives both worker bonuses and other bonuses, that is, it gives bonuses such as gold workers. Now here I collect the gold into the balance by clicking on Collect. You can even withdraw money by clicking Withdraw on the site in this section and requesting payment in Bitcoin or Zerochain. Okay, now I'm clicking on Call Its Promise to collect gold again and convert the gold in my balance into 110 gold play money. And I'm selling the gold and I'm clicking on the Deliver Promise. I have delivered the gold and I am waiting because it converts to play money in the sales process. After accumulating gold, you can activate other sections, so here you can pay over 3,000 gold to activate the trade section and activate it. You can also buy and feed animals to earn additional income game money and earn hourly game money. I demand 1,000 gold and then I activate the log section. Because when you reach level 2, it will give you a worker bonus and slowly your play money will increase.